Welcome to TDSS Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will be installing TDSS Guardian VMS on your Windows OS PC. Start by going to our website tdss-us.com and click on Support. There, click on the correct file link depending on your PC specs. Click on Download. Click on Download anyway. Run the installer. If you get a Windows warning, select More Info, then Run anyway. Follow the instructions of the installation wizard. Click Finish when done installing. On the desktop, you will find a shortcut TDSS Guardian icon. Click on the shortcut to run program. The TDSS splash screen will appear. The username will be admin, and the default password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click Login. Click on Device Management to add devices. Here, you can add devices locally. For this tutorial, we will use the star for live account. Click on Cloud Device. Click Login. Use the username and password you created when we added a device via web or mobile device. Any device registered will appear automatically and will sync any new device you add in the future. You have successfully installed and set up TDSS Guardian. Thank you for choosing Tough Dog for your security products. Subscribe for more videos.